Hello, and today in kidzfun.art, I will show you how to slide and fade in between the frames. So first, I'll show you how it looks now. And now I will show you how to make it fade. So first you press this number 1, then you press this, and then you go back. You can go into the other frame and make something else. Now I shall make it so it can slide. Now, if you go into the other frame, you can make it so you can do one of those. But this time I will make it last longer. Now I will show you how it looks. Now, and if you want, you can save it onto your account. And it will be sent to your phone. Bye. And thank you for watching in kidzfun.art.